Hey, and welcome to this quick training on how to create the perfect video sales letter, also known as a webinar. Okay, so I'm going to show you the perfect step-by-step VSL, video sales letter creation method. This is the same method that we use to create 6 figures in revenue from our paid advertising, how we use this same funnel and the video sales letter to convert strangers into new customers. So you're going to learn the 3 stages to a highly converting video sales letter. Okay, now this video sales letter is mirrored by Russell Brunson. It's mirrored from Russell Brunson. Okay, if you're familiar with Russell Brunson, if you're not, he is a 9-figure entrepreneur. You know, his business does over 100 million in revenue, and I think they've done billion by this stage. Russell uses the same VSL, video sales letter, to convert strangers into new customers. Okay, he's recently done this same training. He's put together this VSL as part of his funnel in front of a live audience at an event where it's called GrowthCon, where it's produced by Grant Cardone, and he made 3 million in sales within a few hours. Okay, so this is the power of a VSL. The VSL is what you need if you're running paid traffic. Okay, I'm going to show you how you combine paid traffic in terms of YouTube ads, because there's an absolute opportunity out there that is not being tapped into. So how you use YouTube ads to get clients using a VSL. Okay, so or you can apply this same VSL to anything that where you're running traffic and you're looking to convert that traffic into sales. So this is perfect if you're a coach, consultant, trainer, an expert, or somebody selling a course, your high ticket item. You essentially need to talk to a human, but you want the human to be already sold when they get on a phone with you, so that you can do like what our clients are doing, run traffic to a VSL, video sales letter, and convert that traffic easily by just asking a series of questions to a person who's already a motivated seller and someone who a motivated buyer, and someone who has already understood more about your business, what you stand for, how you can help them, and the whole lot. Okay, our VSL converts at about 75 to 80%. That means if I get on the phone with anyone who comes through a VSL, who have watched the VSL, or if my sales team does so, usually out of every 3 we convert 2 at minimum. The other person we don't convert is usually just they're not a good fit. Here's some numbers that we have done ourselves. So the whole idea, what you will get from this training, is the whole sequence from getting traffic to getting them to convert on a VSL. What makes a VSL convert? What is it? Like, what do you have to say? Is it, and without any of that complexity. So if you're struggling to get people to watch a video that presents a solution, if you're struggling to do that so that you can get them to be moved and book a call with you to buy from you, your product, your service, well, then this is the perfect thing that you need to watch right now and stop everything else that you're doing. I'm going to give you a quick example here. We have spent about 3,000 euros to test this VSL, where we get traffic from YouTube to this VSL where they watch the video, and then from there they make a decision on booking a call so that they can enroll into our program. You can do the exact same thing. We've done something. We've spent about 3K. We've gotten over, as you can see there, a couple of hundred leads, well, 120 something leads, with about 21 book calls. Okay, as a result of that, we've been able to generate a revenue of 26,000 euros. Now, I will say, just a disclaimer, not all that 26,000 euros has come directly from the ads, but all of it has come from the VSL, from people watching the video and then booking a call with us. Anyone who's watched the training video that we have in the video sales letter format that you're going to get in this training has always converted. It's as simple as that, because it converts. It's the best way to get eyeballs to convert into customers. End of story. Okay, so if you're looking to do something like that in revenue, where you can spend 3K to, if you're having a funnel right now and it's not converting, it's always got to do with your VSL. If you're sending traffic to get them to book a call, they need to watch something that makes sense to them. And I'm going to show you the exact secrets that you need. So just real quick before we get started, my name is Galinda, so that you understand more about me and that I don't waste your time and you don't waste my time. I've been a marketer for the last 10 years. Okay, look, I struggled in my business. Here's me in Tanzania, East Africa, where I'm originally from. I live in Ireland. I also recently been living out in Dubai, in the United Emirates Arab Emirates. Okay, so here's me on the left-hand side. There's our agency. We generate 4.9 million in revenue for our clients through YouTube and running that traffic to a VSL to get them customers. Okay, so also here's me enjoying myself with a little champagne on a business class flight. So look, my story, anyone can achieve this same result. Okay, if you're struggling right now to getting results, you're doing everything under the sun, nothing is working. I know what it feels like. I was there too. And if you just follow exactly what I show you, including our funnel, it will work for you. You will get the conversions. You will convert. If you're getting no conversions, you will start to get conversions. If you're getting some conversions, you will at least generate a 21.22% in profits in terms of overall conversions using this VSL. It is the dream. It is something I wish I knew 10 years ago when I got started. Look, I was going broke trying to grow my online consulting business, struggling to attract clients on autopilot. I was desperate. I tried all kinds of things. I was pushing money on ads. I was doing Google organic. I was running Facebook ads, cold calling, try everything, but nothing was working. Okay, I was running out of money trying to get traffic to convert, but nothing. You know, sending people to my website, nobody, an inquiry here and there, but they're not really convinced and fully. It wasn't until I discovered the world of YouTube advertising and high ticket sales funnel where my whole entire world changed. And that's what I'm going to tell you and teach you right now using a VSL, how you get traffic to convert. Okay, so you will never have a conversion issue ever again if you're selling high ticket item that's between, let's say, £2,000 or £10,000 to euros, dollars. It doesn't matter the currency. Today, my online consulting business is now on track to scaling past 6 figures this year, thanks to high ticket funnels. Okay, so this is exactly what you need. Now, what's the success ingredients of selling high ticket offers with YouTube advertising? Again, you can do this with any form of traffic, but without this, nothing will convert. So here's the overall funnel before we go into the VSL and how you can build out your own VSL that converts traffic into new customers. Make sure you write this down. Okay, here's the full funnel, the perfect client attraction funnel for selling high ticket items that we've tested with using our own money and our clients' money, and it works. Okay, step one, what you want to do is drive traffic to a area where people can then do the following: watch a video. Okay, so step one, we recommend using YouTube ads. It's the best. There's a massive opportunity out there, and a lot of the companies are not doing it because they think it's hard work. It is super simple to get a YouTube campaign going. You don't even need to get on the camera. You can also hire someone to get on camera, or you can use slides like I'm doing so here. So don't worry about that misbelief that it's a lot of effort. It is not. It's actually simple. Okay, so driving traffic from YouTube or any other source to a VSL, that's what you must do. Having this VSL alone without traffic, you will absolutely achieve nothing. But having traffic without this VSL, you will achieve very little, or in fact just go out of broke pocket. But having traffic and this VSL, you will achieve the ideal targeted niche client that you want, who will then book a call with you to get more information so they can sign up to your program. But you're getting people who are coming to Zoom calls who are ready and already invested. They just have a question or two and they just want to hear you, and they're ready to buy from you or your sales team. It's the difference that takes someone from not interested to maybe wanting to know more to, oh my God, I need this. This is exactly the problems that I'm having. So if you put together this VSL, I promise you, your whole world will change, just like it has done for ourselves and our clients. Now, if you stay to the end, I'm going to give you this full funnel so you can generate traffic from YouTube, capture leads, convert leads, and generate more sales for your business. Okay, you ready, guys? Let's go. Let's go. It's super simple, guys. Here's how we're going to cover this part of the training. Okay, so how do we visually create our perfect webinar? Now, remember, I got this idea from Russell Brunson about 2 years ago. That's where my whole world changed. Okay, now, if you're struggling to putting together this VSL, here's exactly how to do it. And at the end, I want to give you an opportunity to have me hold your hand, helping you to put this together in a simple step-by-step process where I'll even give you my own VSL that's made us 6 figures, okay, in revenue. What we're going to cover is the introduction, as you can see here. How do we start the VSL? The 3 parts. How do we get the VSL going? What content do we put? And how do we get our offer going? Okay, so the first thing that we want to focus on, make sure you write this down. You've got to build a promise. So step 1, intro of your VSL, the video sales letter. Okay, this can also be used as a webinar. It's the exact same thing. It's just a video sales letter usually just stays somewhere where people can instantly on demand watch it. But if you're using something such as a webinar, that just means that they will watch that video on a live format, whereby you're talking at a specific time live or you can use software to make it look like as if you're live, but it's the same thing. Okay, so write this down. The intro, you gotta have an intro. Okay, so the intro is where you give a promise. Now you gotta give one promise so that people can stay and watch the thing and understand how to always remember what they were watching. Okay, so you don't talk about everything and anything. You gotta give one promise. Here's an example of a slide that we have used. Okay, so get a promise. You gotta hook to the end, tell them why they should stay till the end so that they understand the importance of staying to the end. Command attention, tell them why they should be there and how you're not going to be selling to them, but you're going to be giving them value. So that's super important you do. Okay, and then lastly, you got to qualify yourself so people understand, just like I've done here. I've told you I've been 10 years marketer. So if you're someone who is a coach, consultant, trainer, looking to start a business or perhaps trying to get more money online, well, then you're going to listen to me, right? So it's as simple as that, guys. Okay, and then finally, you got to future pace them. Okay, so let them know what's coming ahead so that they can stay intrigued, so that they have energy to continue to focus. Okay, are you guys liking this? Are you liking it? Awesome. If you are, make sure you give me a thumbs up somehow wherever you're watching this, or in the comment section if this is on YouTube, or if it's on a live webinar. Make sure you comment somewhere. Okay, well done, guys. Okay, so here's the next thing you need to do. Make sure you write this down. This is super important. I wish I knew these things when I got started. The second of the third thing you need to do is the content. Okay, now here's what I used to do wrong and how I corrected it, and then I started getting results from a VSL. Do not teach. Okay, guys, you're gonna do this service if you try to teach something that you know that's took you months in a second in a VSL. So instead of teaching, give frameworks. Okay, so here's how you give a framework. You tell them the one thing, you remind them of exactly what they're trying to achieve, okay? And then you give them a secret, okay? But you tell them how you used to do, how the old way of doing something was and when the new way of doing something. So you give contrast like a table. Here's the way it used to be, here's the new way. When you do this successfully, that's where people are able to understand, oh, this is how you do it. Now you give them information that they didn't know about. Now they're going to need your help to put it all together. So now this is the final thing. What you want to do, write this down, the pitch. You got to ask them a question. Let me ask you a question. Here's where you ask them a question so that you get their permission in order for you to pitch them the opportunity to working together. Okay, at the end, you got to ask them, can I help you? And then from there, you give them the offer. Like what we have is a 10K per month offer where we help our clients get to their first 10K in the next 90 days or less using YouTube ads and the full funnel so that they can create their VSL and the whole lot. Okay, and then give them the opportunity to sign right there and then so they can get on board. And also, most importantly, people have questions. Make sure you put in the Q&As at the end. So it's that super simple, guys, and use some testimonials to make it so that they understand it's possible, anyone can achieve it, because that is the truth. But you got to clean up their disbeliefs. Okay, it's that easy, right, guys? It's so super. Look, write this down. 3 steps. Step 1, have an intro. Step 2, content, give information. And then step 3, ask for the sale. Guys, you need to do that, but you must ensure that you have the full funnel. Without the full funnel, nothing works. And look, the first thing you're going to want to do if you have the full funnel and you put it all together, what you want to do is write this down. Step 1, drive traffic. Use YouTube ads to drive traffic. For step 2, create a video sales letter page where you give them what we've just spoken about so that they can convert into new customers. Step 3, give them the opportunity to then book a call with you through Calendly, okay? And then step 4, generate sales over Zoom. Now, I give everything in terms of everything you see here, how to create YouTube campaigns that generate high quality leads, how to put together your VSL in more depth, and I give you the template so you don't have to waste time and energy. And then I show you the sales script that's responsible for doing ourselves and our clients 7 figures and beyond in revenue, so that you don't need to be a sales expert to convert. Okay, so look, let me ask you now, can I help you put this together? If you are that coach, consultant, trainer, or course creator that has value, that wants to get more clients, and you're sick and tired of putting money all out there on YouTube, Google, whatever, and you're not converting them, well, I would love to invite you to our training, which is our business scaling program. Okay, it is a 90-day program that allows us to help you hold your hand and help you build your own high converting YouTube funnel and the VSL and all the components that you need, and also the sales scripts. And we teach you how to convert clients, get clients, have clients chasing you, so that you can go from 0, or if you're doing already some revenue, to double that, ideally to 10K per month in sales online in 90 days or less, and also scale past that with YouTube ads. Okay, it's a great opportunity out there, guys. The world is exploding in the information space, so you should be on there if you're not, and if you are, you should be doing it the right way. So we want to help you achieve that goal. If you like what you see and you'd like to get a hold in hand, let's see if you're a good fit for our program. Click somewhere in this video. There should be a link that will allow you to get onto a booked call where we can go through this. It's to see, look, where you are, where you want to be, and if you're a good fit for us, we'll give you an offer to get started. If not, we'll let you know and give you some other pointers. Okay, so there's an exclusive bunch of people in this program. We can't take on anyone, so make sure you click around this video right now and register to come on board so that you can get everything that you need in order to build out your full funnel and get to your 10K per month in profits in the next 90 days or less, or and scale up. That we do 10K. We did 10K the other day and it was unbelievable. I couldn't believe it. It was first time for my business, and now we're just going to scale up that campaign to the moon. So you don't need a lot of money to get started. Click somewhere in this video. It will take you to the Calendly page, answer the questions that we have there. We get on a call, and look, if you're a good fit, we'll give you the opportunity to work together. If you're not, we'll let you know and give you some other value. Okay, so click somewhere in this video. I look forward to seeing you on the other side.